Framework's Laptop 13 Pro stole the show, but it's by no means the only star product. There are some quality of life upgrades for the Laptop 16 as well. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Framework is finally putting an end to the unplanned demolitions plaguing its fans. CEO Nirav Patel admits the modular laptop 16 had a nasty habit of snacking on users' arm hairs where the deck plates met. To stop this, the company is launching smooth, all-in-one covers for the keyboard and trackpad. And even that trackpad's getting a high-tech haptic upgrade and a new budget-friendly Ryzen 5 model, which means you won't have to empty your wallet either. But the real magic is a crazy new OQ-Link dev kit that turns your portable device into a total beast. By plugging a specialized board into the expansion slot, you can link up desktop-grade gear like massive GPUs or 100 GB Ethernet. It's basically a DIY dream that lets your laptop pretend it's a powerhouse desktop. Although this upgrade isn't available right now and you'll have to wait until later this year to snag one. And if you were tired of that dusty old Logitech keyboard you use for your TV, the company has repurposed the clicky premium keys from the Laptop 12 into a sleek new wireless touchpad keyboard built specifically for living room legends. They've even crafted an eco-friendly laptop sleeve with special pockets for your screwdriver and spare parts. And that's not all. There's a 10 GB Ethernet card which wasn't even built by Framework, but by a super fan who saw a tiny new chip and made it happen. Framework loved the hustle so much, they're officially reselling it. It's faster, smoother, and proof that the community is now officially running the show. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.